Is this really a grilled cheese smash burger? Hey everybody, Papa here. I'm just doing a quick little burger for you kids. Let's get the onions. Paper thin. Let's hit them. Some little Louis. Just a little bit, just a little. Just get some of that garlic and pepper and salt in there. And then we're going to do a little fun thing. A little balsamic reduction in there. Mix it up. Now, you know the internet is a very dangerous place these days. It's also a very interesting place because of the things you see, and then next thing you know, 1,000 people are cooking it the same week. I honestly try, if you look at it, to create my own recipes. Every once in a while I see something that intrigues me and I want to do it, so I'm going to do it now. Unfortunately, I don't remember where I saw it, but I did see this on social media. So we're going to take our burgers. Now I got the onion side at 300 degrees. I have the burger side at 400 because I really want to get a good caramelization on it. Smash. And one of the things with smash burgers is I don't see people smashing them enough. You should almost be able to see the meat glow. Just tamping a burger down a little bit isn't a smash burger. So there we go. That feels pretty good. Now, there's so many different ways of Smashburger where it came from, and one of the things you hear a lot about is the Oklahoma onion burger, which I think is great. What I'm going to do with these onions, because they're getting pretty close now, I'm going to get them with a higher heat. Got some Boar's Head American cheese, some Boar's Head Colby Jack, I don't know what Colby Jack is. Is it American in Jack? I don't know. I'm going to have some of you experts tell me. But I kind of like it, and I like the color. I'm going to take these onions. Mr. Ball, would you like some burger with your onions? Put the cheese melter on. Let's get ready for the internet trick. I know you guys can't guess. I know you can't guess. Look how I move those over just perfectly. What is he doing? What is he doing? Here's the secret. Wait, the bun's upside down. Big Papa, you've lost your mind. Well, those of you who follow me know I've probably lost my mind. So look at that. It's upside down. Woo. Thousand Island. Oh my God. Thank you, whoever I stole this from. I don't like stealing, but I'm borrowing. So anyway, if I run into you, beer's on me. Okay, the power's off. I'm just going to coast it in. If this isn't the craziest burger you've seen, I don't know what to do. I can't help you. Remember, Little Louie's.